again, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard with company on the deck. They're a little distracting, so I'm going to try and do the best I can to not be distracted. I want to do something that I haven't done for a long time, and I want to do it in a similar way to the way I did it, but I didn't really give myself enough time to do that, and I think I'm going to do what I need to do as I go along. If my bottles are clogged, which is really not making me very happy. Okay, we got what we get. And this time I don't mind if my stripes, my rows are uneven. I just need to make sure that I don't have any gaps in my artwork. And it's very hot out here. It's like over 100 degrees under my tent. That's why my kerchief on my head is wet. And I am going to just have some fun with whatever comes to mind, and I kind of want... Anyway, you can see how liquidous everything is. It's amazingly liquidous. And I think I can actually spread some of that just like that. I want some more of this color. I don't think I'm going to have any trouble at all. I think the only trouble I may have is when it comes time to swipe, because I don't know how this is going to work. I see that thing that does not belong. I'm going to try and hit this up for as rainbows, and I'm not trying to make it even. I'm not going to worry about that. I am going to give myself a little Prussian blue, slide some gold in there. I've been using, where is it? My metallic green. I suspect I'm going to have too much paint on my canvas, but I'm going to go for it anyway. I may stick my fingers in the edges. I may, what else may I do? I might go in here again. I might add a little bit of that Prussian blue places it doesn't necessarily think it belongs. I want some of this, which is, wow, that is so, I mean, the paint's got to be 100 degrees because I left it sitting out here. So it is what it is. That is a folk art color shift, which shifts colors. I'm going to call it good here pretty quick. And I'm really tempted to give myself an edge catcher and let all of that move over, because I've never tried that before, and I think I should. And then throw it back. So now I know my edge is covered, and that's pretty cool. I might have to do this in some other way. Alright, so let's do that right again. And throw it back again. It's not really what I was expecting to do, but I am still going to give myself permission to do what I was going to do, which is to put black at the bottom and call it good. This is going over. I mean, really, my paint is 100 degrees. What do you think? I think I want to give myself a little bit more of my favorite color. My new favorite color. It used to be the neon from folk art, and now it's the Art Minds iridescent purple. I hope I can do this without screwing it up, honest to God. I don't know how this is going to swipe out at all because of the heat. But I kind of think if I start early enough with a gap in between that I can gauge it. I'm playing fast and loose with paint, what can I say? And it's hot and I got to clean up, and doing any more paintings today on a 100-degree day is not a good idea, because I tried to download my movies and my brain was not not firing on all cylinders at all by any stretch. So good. And I think I'm going to use what I got out here. I'm going to start from the other direction. You know what? I really want some white right in there. I keep expecting it to be really really thick, and it's really not. So here goes nothing. This is a hem from a turtleneck or something, and I am going to, hopefully that will go all the way across. And I'm going to, oh, I see that string. I do not want that string in there. That string might do all kinds of weird things I'm not ready for. So I'm going to dip, I'm going to fold it over a little bit, and I'm going to dip the end into the paint, and I'm going to wave it. And that's pretty cool. I'm going to try and use the colors that I've got on the end of my rag. I'm also going to go back there and try and do that too. I'll let all that go a little bit down. I'm going to grab some of the paint off my... I'm going to steal some paint. How about that? I'm going to steal some of the black paint that's everywhere. I am going to find my torch, and I have one. There it is. And sometimes you can't get cells if you're not quick enough, but I think we got some cells this time. And this kind of reminds me of the painting that I just sold, and that's okay with me because I really loved it. It's not quite as cool, but okay, never mind. It's pretty cool. And if I want to do this again on another hot day, I'll learn to use less of the orange and the red, and I did lose quite a bit of that red. But I got some neat colors, and I'm not unhappy with what I've got at all. I do want to tip it all down, and I probably could drag a swipe cloth through it again, but I'm not going to. And my usual MO would be to put a bamboo skewer or something in there. Let me use my fingers, see if I've got any. Yes, I do. I got some nice colors. I'm just going to put them right on the edge, because I can. I'm really glad I covered my edges before. So this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio saying thank you for 65,000 of you. Thank you for your thumbs up. It helps the YouTube algorithm know where to put my videos to let more people see what I do, and I appreciate you guys helping me with that, and you have been lately. So thank you very much for that. Thank you for contributing to keep the studio going. And if you want to join this month's contest, you can look for the PayPal or Patreon links right below the video under Show More, and you can also look for the PayPal and Patreon icons on the channel header, on my channel header. On the last 20 seconds of the end screens of this video, you will find a playlist with 600 videos, my website, and a video of 10 by 20s, this size paintings that shows the painting I just sold. And also, all the prizes for June 8th, 2019 are in there. If you decide to go and look, you'll find them. What else? I do give lessons at the class. Excuse me. I do give art lessons at the house in the studio. And I already mentioned I sold my paintings, so if you have an inquiry, just do that through YouTube. And I will get back to you as soon as I can with an email address. I'm not the least bit unhappy I did this. Maybe I'll be bringing some other things back. Ooh, I got some, whoa. I'm cooking paint. Good thing there's so much paint, it's so wet. I'm loving watching these cells pop. Got all kinds of gorgeous colors this time. I kind of want to take some of my paint that I shouldn't try and take, like right there or right there, and put it and blend in some of the edges that are solid from where I use the edge catcher. That's the first time I ever tried that. I might be trying that again. Alright, so I love you guys, and thank you for all the great compliments and the comments every day. I really appreciate that. And I hope you watch some videos, because the more you watch, the more likely I am to come back and make more for you. It helps me out immensely if you guys watch a video all the way through, and a lot of people have been doing so, I can tell. My stats are looking better. Yeah, I kind of want to let all that flow right over the edge. But I might change my mind later. So this is, I already said, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard. And I guess I said it again. And the last thing I'll say again is I love you. And I'll see you guys in another video. Or at least I hope to. Take care. Bye for now. Priscilla out. Let's zoom in. I do that all the time. I say I'm done and then I zoom in. It's really hard to see the monitor. But there it is. Alright. I'll see you guys soon. I'll be doing this with less paint next time. Bye now.